139th rank in India in 2021 and 147th rank in India in 2020. So always it's been around 150 ranks in India, and it is the second rank in terms of area in 2020. So which is for innovation. So as I said, this PES College of Engineering Mandya is started in 1962. So it's a very old established college which has completed already 60 years, right? So and this college is affiliated to VTU, and it is an autonomous college under VTU. So it's approved by UGC and it's recognized by AICT. It's NBA accredited and it's a NAC A grade institute, right? So campus, so it's a 62-acre big campus, and this location is actually somewhere between Bangalore and Mysore. So this is the college address for students who are from Comet K, who are from outside of Karnataka. They may not know this is very close to Bangalore and Mysore, right, on the same road, right? Courses offered, which is computer science, ECE, automobile, electrical, industrial, production, information science is there, and mechanical engineering is there. And I'm going to cover the complete placement details of each of these branches there. Now coming to the training and the placement part, it's excellent placement, and the placements are good in the top 3 branches, and then average, better than average placement for other branches. So let's see the placement trend over the 5 years, right? So this is the ongoing, you see is the 458 students already placed in this year, and this year is just ongoing. It is not even completed. 450 unique offers, total offers are already there. So if you see your years, the red ones, 320, 424, 419, 450. So it's already always offer total number of offers around 450 to 500 at the college level, right? And it has been always increasing in the last 5 years. Similar trend is in internship. If you see the internship, they were just having 10 students got placed in internship, and it is constantly increasing. Now you see 225 students got the internship, right? Which is also a good trend, because it is considering 500 students, 500, 600 students, 225 means almost 50% of students, 40 to 50% students are getting internship. Students are already placed, and these 450 students are placed this year in companies, good companies like Kyndryl, IBM, Accenture, EY, DXC. You can see Cognizant, and this is a short list just for the picture, but the good companies are visiting this campus. And this is the CET code and the Comet K. So this I missed earlier. So you see PESCE mandya.org, and this is the CET code and Comet K, which you can note down. And you see 2 CET code because one is aided, one is unaided. So unaided is less cost or less fees, unaided is more fee, which is around 78,000, right? Now I will go to the branch-wise placement. That is why you are looking here. So CSC branch, the most important or the most prominent branch is started in 1983. The companies which are visiting for the CSC students, computer science students, DXC, IBM, Wipro, Cognizant. So you have shown some of the Indian names. Now these are some of the multinationals also on the same campus. Now if you see the CSC placement, computer science placements, it's also been constant, right? So the red line is what you can see, the total number of students placed, total offers. So this year, last year it was 82 offers. Previous to previous years, 138 offers, 130. So it's always 100 plus offers. Last year I think a little bit less offers were there, but constantly it's maintaining around 132, 139, 138 offers. Previous to previous years also 33 offers, and so on. So this is CSC. So you can take 70%, 70, 80% placement you can expect in this college. This is for another branch which is now ECE, right? So if ECE is the second prominent branch in this college, for electronics ECE, if you see, its placement is also good. ECE 102 students got placed in last year, 102. Previous to previous year, the yellow bar, 104 students placed, and previous to previous year 88 students placed. So that is very good. Out of 120, 140 students, 102 students. So around placement 75 to 80% for ECE also. This is the third branch, Information Science Department. Now this branch is started in 99, but the number of students were very less. It's just 40 students. So if you see for the 40 students, out of 31 students who were eligible, 17 got placed. So 17 students, 15 students, 14 students. So I can say here, the placement percentage that now they are saying 85, it may be considered as a lesser 70-75% placement you expect in ISC. The next is the mechanical engineering branch. So mechanical number of students are very high, 138 students. You can see the last call, the first red one, but the placed are 47 students, right? 88 were eligible, but 47 were placed. So they are saying 50%, but it will be around 30 to 40% for mechanical engineering, because they are not considering the number of students who are applying lesser, right? So, and a lot of students wants to go for MTech and all, right? So 47 students got placed is important. Now this is the next branch, industrial and production engineering. So if you see here, the one percentage of students placed is 55, they are saying, but the number of in students placed is in the blue. So you see, out in industrial and production, 11 student got placed, 13 student got placed, 12 student. So it's a 10 to 15 students get placed in this branch. So that means, your chances of getting placed is 35%. So you should be knowing that, So and this is common in all the colleges, So if you take this core branches, the number of placements will be less. Now quickly coming to the automobile branch, right? So you have to see the orange line, right? So the number of students placed were just 6 last year. Previous to previous year, 10 students. Previous to previous year, 13 students. So it's between 6 to 13 students in last 4 years. So your placement chances are very low, 10 to 20% chance. 20% chance is what you will get the job through automobile engineering in this college. And the next is EEE. You see electrical and electronics engineering, right? So for this one, you have to see the total of, total offer is the purple one. So 28 students got placed it in EEE. Previous to previous year, 31 students. Previous to previous year, 28. And the one in the purple, right? So around 30 students gets placed typically every year in this branch. So that's what I have. And the last branch, civil, is not encouraging. Civil, only 3-4 students gets placed. So I not covered civil separately as a slide. But that's all I have covered. All the branches placement with the number of students for last 3-4 years, so that you have a good idea. And please do visit my another video which has the cutoff, course details, branches wise, and complete campus tour. So that will be useful. And thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe this video.